Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the stand on your KTC 24-inch computer monitor. Specifically, this is the model H24V13. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at all the parts and pieces. So our stand consists of basically our arm or main body and our base plate right here. And we'll attach these two pieces together and then slide it in the back of the monitor right here. If you want to do a wall mount option or a desk mount option or anything like that with your own stand, this does support VESA 100 by 100 brackets and mounting. So you have a couple different options if you don't want to use the included stand. So we're going to take our two pieces of the stand right here and just line it up just like so and press into place. It's going to click like that, and now we have it all set and ready to go to slide into the back of our monitor. So we'll line it up and we'll just gently press it into place, being careful not to be too hard or anything like that, but we just slid it down. I heard it latch. Now you can tell that it's all set and ready to go. With the included stand, very basic functionality. We don't really even have anything to work with here. No tilt, no swivel, or any height adjustments like that. It's truly just going to stand it in place in a fixed position.